Your cells run on energy, and when tissue is injured, inflamed, or just not healing the way it should, that energy production breaks down. Photobiomodulation is how we restore it. This is our medical grade photobiomodulation unit. It delivers specific wavelengths of red and near infrared light. We're talking 630 to 990 nanometers that penetrates deep into the tissues. Not heat, not cosmetic red light, precise therapeutic wavelengths calibrated to interact with the biology inside of your cells. So here's what happens. The light is absorbed by an enzyme in your mitochondria, cytochrome C oxidase, and that absorption triggers a cascade of effects to create ATP production. That's cellular energy. With more energy, cells can repair, they can replicate, they can reduce inflammation faster than they could on their own. You see, nitric oxide is one of the most powerful vasodilators in our body, but when there's inflammation, it can get inside of the cells, and it binds to the copper group on cytochrome C oxidase. Red light therapy kicks that nitric oxide out and allows it to now produce ATP. At the same time, it drives VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, which builds new blood supply into the healing tissue. And it shifts the local cytokine environment toward anti-inflammatory, which means the repair process can actually proceed without being shut down prematurely. We use photobiomodulation to support virtually every condition we treat: tendinopathy, plantar fasciitis, post-surgical recovery, nerve repair, joint inflammation. But the place it really shines is in combination with shockwave. We apply photobiomodulation during our shockwave sessions to prime the tissues and sustain the reparative cascade effect. The two technologies together are significantly more effective than either one alone. Most people have heard of red light therapy. What they've seen is consumer devices, panels, bulbs, things you'd buy online. This is not that. This is medical grade photobiomodulation, and it is different categorically entirely. Different power output, different wavelengths, precision, different clinical outcomes. The research on this technology is genuinely impressive, and it's one of the reasons why our patients see results that surprise them. If you want to understand whether photobiomodulation is part of the right protocol for your specific situation, that's exactly what a discovery call is for. Come in, let's talk through what's been going on, and we'll build a plan around your biology.